What's that sound? The wind. Oh, that's cold. Snow. Already? No! This won't work! Oh God, please. The wind is picking up, Mali. Move! I have to keep going. Don't stop! I can't see anything. I'm lost. This might be it. Stay strong. It seems stable enough. Just need to clear the snow. Please let this work. Please. Keep it together. Just a little further. Thank goodness. Okay, it's not perfect, but it will hold.
Yeah.
Just need to stay warm now. Oh my God! The wind! It's everywhere! I don't know if this will hold. I have to keep moving. Just a little further. Almost there. Hang on. Keep going, don't go out. Just a little longer. Oh, careful. Breathe. I must fix this before dark. That's better. Now for the water. I have to keep moving. Just a little longer. Stay warm. Don't give up. It's so cold. I can't feel my fingers. I need to get warm. I can't keep my eyes open. I have to keep going. Just a little longer. I have almost nothing left. I need to find something soon. I have to keep going. I need more wood. Incredible. I can't believe it. It's completely changed. God, it's cold. Need more of this.
Better?
That's better. Okay, time to go. God, please make it stop. Come on, little flame. Stay with me. Just a little more. Keep going, come on, just a little more.
Yes.
Yes, yes, got it, it's working. Oh, thank God, we're safe now. Stop it, focus, keep it burning. I can't. Please. I don't know what to do. I can do this. I will survive. Thank you. The storm is breaking. I can finally see the sky. Just a little further to the cabin. I can do this. I need more wood, and then I'll fix this roof. Tomorrow, I move north. Dry wood here. I need to test these berries carefully. Yes, these are good. Now, some resin for the fire. Yes. Yeah. This is it. No. Better than the hut. I'll start moving my things. Almost there. Keep going. Keep just a little further. I have to make sure they can find this. I've come too far to give up now. Oh my God, it's beautiful. I survived. It's absolutely breathtaking. Yeah, you earned this moment.
I made it. I survived the storm. I am the victor.